Margarita Pop-Up Shows is back with their summer edition. We have a lot of brands, the best brands for your summer wear. We also have men's wear, we have jewelry, silver jewelry and titanium jewelry, all types. So yes, come down here. It's a 3-day show, Reflection Gallery, and swipe left to check out the collection. This is brand R Clothing, and everything they have just starts from 2,500. Best material, Kala cotton and cotton. Look at this, something with cow neck, colors, different patterns. Look at this. This is with a nice hoodie, whites. We also have very cute check dresses. We have stripes, very flowy material, summer print. Check this out. So this is all new summer collection that they are launching for the very first time here.
Hi, this is Suchita and this is Purvi from Craft Culture. We have our brand here at Reflection today. We have introduced our crop material, silicone material bottle holders. These are also customizable. We have our silicone bags. They are also customizable. You can put on charms. We have metal charms, we have big charms, we have small charms. These can be used as return gifts. We have slings, we have mobile cover customizations available. We have silicone pouches, coin pouches. We have lanyard connectors which you can use. We have our handmade, hand crocheted iPod covers. We have charms and these can go on your shoes as well. These are customizable. We have 3,000 plus designs. We have metal charms. We have more bags, 3 different sizes. And yes, thank you.
So this is labeled Thoda Drama, but they got a lot of dramas in all their prints and patterns. The fabric is amazing. Best for summer and vacation wear. So first up, some cover-ups, very cool ones. Look at the colors they have. Then this is a quad set. That's the top, and these are the pants. This is a 3-piece set in the best fabric. Something very cool. A dress. This is also a dress. Then we have linens with nice collar detailing, and this is also linen.
હાય સો ધીસ ઇઝ લેબલ અનુજ અમદાવાદ. આપણી પાસે મેં પહેર્યા એ ટાઈપના ક્રેપમાં સેટ્સ છે. પ્યોર ક્રેપ આવશે વિથ મલ કોટન અસ્તર. બહુ બધી વેરાયટીઝ છે. સમથિંગ લાઈક ધીસ. આવી રીતે કફતાનમાં પણ છે. બહુ બધી વેરાયટી છે. દેન વી હેવ લિનન્સ કોડ સેટ્સ છે. ડિફરન્ટ કલર્સ છે અને ડેફિનેટલી કસ્ટમાઇઝેબલ. બહુ જ બધી પેટર્ન્સ છે. કુર્તા સેટ્સમાં વિથ ક્યુલોટ પેન્ટ, સ્લીવલેસમાં બધી રીતના. Then we have આવી રીતે મલ ચંદેરીમાં which is perfect for summer weddings, and this is also customizable.
This is brand Shruthpreet. Something what I am wearing is also from their brand. Light, easy and breathable. Best fabrics, and look at the patterns they always give. This is the first time they are doing button-up shirts, and they're launching their summer collection for the very first time. We have some cute dresses. Look at that. Pretty collection. These are also long dresses. Something in black, orange, green, and these. Look at that. This is brand Sehaj, and they are launching their men's wear. These are some very cool shirts, and women can also wear it. These are all different types of colors they have, and something like this with a bib. Try these out, and we have color options in that. Then their denim collection, very cool, and these are all oversized, so I love that. All the pictures are attached so you can actually see how they look. A jewelry brand from Anand. Best price chains for 650, raised at 850. These are all different types of bracelets that we have. These are studs, rings, and I want to show them the cuffs. Look at these cuffs, very cute. They have a huge variety. And these are some
Different shape of bracelets.
very cute. Then we have chain bracelets And
Yes. Hi, my brand name is Rahman. I have chikangari collection in all different fabrics. These are the dyeable ones in pure mulls. These are anarkalis. They can be customized in all the colors that you want. This in pure kota. This with pearl and pardana work. With mukesh work. Then our summer dresses like in kota fabrics, in linens. Kota with inners. White summer dresses. Kaftans in kotas. Then I have the tunics. The
What she's
multi-shoe
wearing?
what I am wearing. The colors I have and the sizes can be customized. Then cord sets in pure Malchanderi fabrics. With mukesh work. Kurta pant sets. The sleeveless ones in pure Malchanderis. In the dyeable sarees. In pure organza. With mukesh.
done. This is label Ira. Again, some summer festive wear. Look at these. These are sets. We have color options available. Check these. Then we have something with tissue dupattas. We have pretty pinks. Look at that. This is also in tissue. So this is brand Pure Soul. They have unique dresses. Color options आपको सब में मिल जाएंगे. Something very flowy. Look at this color marble. These are all dresses. These are quad sets. Dress again, and we also have hand block print dresses. And here we have flat 15% off on the entire collection here. जिसमें आपको dresses मिलेगी, quad sets मिलेगी.
Hi, this is Prachi Shah from Pure Chick Silver, and this is all pure silver jewelry. We have up to 20% off on all the jewelry. Neck pieces are flat 20% off. These are regular earrings which are on 10% off. These are sui dhagas. These are our famous bugdis. These are regular rings. These are charms, and these are statement rings and earrings.
Bug collection.
Bug collection, and this is peacock collection. These are real diamond look-alike on silver.
This is brand label Posha. First of all, some quad sets. Shirts. We have colors. Look at this. Very pretty. These are quad sets. Shirts again. Look at this in batik. We have handloom cotton